Hi, I'm Nikki from Ecl-ips and I'm going to show you how to collaborate with somebody on a visual on Control Center 7. So you go up to the Person tab here, the Collaboration. Choose the person that you'd like to collaborate with. They'll get a message and then they'll accept and it'll come back to you like that. So Aaron's now accepted our collaboration and we're going to show him what's on our screen here, and we just want to share the screen with him. So basically he can see everything that I'm doing here on the screen. And I'm going to show him the rainy day trust sign over there. And there might be something happening or something that has happened or a person of interest gone across that you want to share with somebody. And this is the perfect way of doing that. So you can actually share all of the cameras with them. A view that you have, they have. So it's quite an important tool there. So that's the collaboration tool with ACC 7. For more information, take a look at our website or have a look at our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.